Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having a great Monday. I wanted to do something a little bit different this specific week. I know last week and the week prior to that, we were talking about the top stocks that we usually see value. I pick the stock that I see value in, and then I make a video about it, and then everyone in the comments section gives their own opinion, what they think about it, if it's going to do well, if it's not going to do well, and then just giving some feedback. This video, all it's going to do, I'm going to talk about two stocks that I'm watching just today, but the stocks that I'm watching are absolutely irrelevant to this video. What I want to do is for you, this is normally what I do with the people that are part of Learn Time Profit, is for you to share in the ticker call out format in the comment section. So not in the live chat, but once this video uploads in the comment section, and I will, so you know how on Mondays I normally break down those top stocks that I see value in, and my second upload, because I upload 2 videos on Monday, usually my video that's after 5 p.m., I make a video about the top stocks that I'm watching this week. I normally do that just for the people that are part of Learn Time Profit and Tech Solutions. I go through our group alert watch list and I break down all the stocks that they see value in, and then I compile a list, and then I create my watch list, and then I share that with our community. So obviously we have a much larger reach on YouTube, and I really want to see how it is that you guys see value. And I will be responding to some of the comments and giving you guys my own 2 cents on why I either agree or disagree. And again, we're all entitled to our own opinion, and that's the whole point of breaking stocks down. It's not because you're 100% correct all the time, but it's because you can share your perspective and making sure that, when you share it, yes, you're sharing why you see value in it, but because we're all wired in different ways. We're all wired in different ways. It makes sense on why other people can give their own 2 cents on maybe why they do or do not see what it is that you originally saw value in. And that's all I want this video to do, or to be. So if you have a top stock, so again, there's 3 things that I really like to focus on. First of all, if you're going to be calling out something that's a pump and dump or that someone else is promoting, I'm just going to delete your comment and ban you from the channel so you'll never be able to post again. I want to make sure that whatever comment, and this could be either the greatest thing ever or the least effective thing ever, right? If you focus on just being so micro-focused on whatever's actively trending up, either today that's showing signs of an uptrend, right? A continuous uptrend, not something that pumped up during pre-market hours and is selling off, but is most likely trading between the middle or top VWAP, or something that's extremely oversold that is showing signs of a reversal, indication of a reversal. All I need you to do is to post it in the ticker call out format and just comment. That's all. Ticker call out format, comment, and that's all. Last night in our Sunday Stock Talk, I think it's the fastest 1,000 likes we've ever received. In our Sunday Stock Talk, within I think 12 hours, we got over 1,100 likes. It's so amazing, right? To see our community come together and really try to just uplift one another. And that's exactly what I want to try to see if we can do with this specific video. It means that you will have to go out of your way to comment, and you can post it in the ticker call out format. So if you're part of Learn Plan Profit or Tech Solutions, let's be the ones that take action first so other people can follow. Share your number 1 stock that you see value in the comment section, and I will, later throughout the day, dedicate time to break down the stocks that you see value in, and I will compile a list, and then I will make my second video for the day talking about what I came across, what I see value in, what I don't see value in. It's kind of like our Sunday Stock Talk, but instead of me missing all these tickers, now I get to see it in real time. So I also think that this could be used as a great resource for a lot of people that are having trouble to find good quality stocks, that they can use the information given below and have a better understanding or be exposed to more tickers. Please make sure, especially if you're a neo trader, do not trade any of the stocks that are going to be commented. Just because someone sees value in it does not mean that you should trade it, right? We all understand that. You should never trade based on other people's opinion, and you should never invest in what you don't understand. I'm going to be talking about, very quick, about one stock that I'm watching as a day trade, because not a swing trade. As a swing trade, it's still showing signs of a sell-off, but as a day trade. Why? Because it's sold off. It's at the support at around near $34. It's showing signs of a potential reversal, and it's showing signs that it can try to push up to the middle VWAP. And that margin of profit, in my eyes, is worth it. Again, it's not a huge amount. It's about 2%. And again, we're all wired in different ways. We all see value in different ways, which means that I might see value in a 2% margin, but someone would not even dedicate their time a day for that 2%. I'm also trading with maybe a little bit more money than some others. And again, that is why it's so important to identify and come up with your own eye for value. And the only reason and the only way that you're going to be able to do that, if you start to practice now, you're going to make mistakes along the way, and that's why you should start paper trading. But don't let that stop you to start actually planning out your trades. Just start taking action, start planning out your trades, and start breaking down stocks. The more you do it, the more consistent you do this, the better you will become. Another stock that I was watching, it's an ETF, right, that I'm watching very closely, is this consolidation that we're experiencing right now with ticker symbol JNUG. Again, there's no signs of an uptrend just yet. It was getting rejected. It's consolidating now. But look at this on the 180-day chart. Forget about the support that it's showing, right? Right here with the overall support at around $7 that it showed based off previous patterns. Like, forget about that in the descending resistance, but look at /GC. Again, /GC at that support that it was at last time before it began to reverse. And then look at JDST, which is the inverse ETF, right? Showing signs of this descending resistance. We could only trade based off previous patterns, and there's an indication of a potential reversal. Does that mean that we should take a position right now? No. It means that we have to be extremely selective and patient before we take our initial position. I think that's what's important. So I just wanted to share, and I'm going to comment down, let's say my number one stock that I'm watching for today. It does not mean that you should trade it. Like, I'm not even fully invested in the stock that I'm going to talk about. It's just one that I'm watching, just so you know that I'm doing it as well. I want you guys to do the same thing in the comment section. So all I ask you guys to do is, if you can, take your time out of your day and then revisit this video. I think within 24 hours, put a reminder on your phone. I'm extremely excited to see how many comments we get down in the comment section and the information that is being shared, right? And then it could only make the video that I'm going to make later even that much better, because then at that point I become exposed to so many more stocks. I get to break them all down. Obviously it's going to take more time for me, but then it means that I can share better information for you guys. I think that that's something that we can try out. If this is the worst video ever and it's the worst idea and people don't like it, then guess what? You know, we don't ever have to do it again. But I just thought I'd give it a shot. I came up literally with the idea maybe like 10, 15 minutes ago, and I just thought it would make sense. Something that we can test out. So, yep, that's really just it. So I wanted to keep you guys up to date with that, and wish you guys all an amazing Monday. We can keep it as simple as just, you know, focusing on whatever's actively trending up, and what we see valid, right? Let's keep it simple, focus on what's actively trending up, and one of the best positions that you can take is not taking one at all, especially if nothing is meeting your criteria. So hopefully we earned your thumbs up. Hopefully I see you in the comment section in that ticker call out format. If you just post the ticker with no information being shared, right? If you just post the ticker and no breakdown on the support, the resistance, the entry point, exit point, anything like that, then I will remove your comment. We need to focus on quality, and we need to make sure that we share why we see value in it. Everyone's entitled to their own opinion, and I want to hear the reasoning behind it. And again, all the comments, just like every other comment out there, everyone's going to be entitled to their own opinion. Do not buy into whatever it is that they're saying. It's just for exposure purposes, and it allows you to become exposed to all these stocks that you can break down, and then you can be the judge of if it's something that you would see value in. So let's kill it this week. Let's keep it simple. I think that this could be a great free resource for a lot of new traders, and hopefully it's something that we will all see a lot of value in. If not, then again, we don't have to do this again. But I think the idea or the concept can definitely work. So hope you guys all have an amazing day. Happy Monday. Let's keep it simple. Let's lock in profits. I'm going to go have breakfast right now, and I need some rest. Yeah, happy Monday, guys. Take it easy, team.